Hello everyone, let us see how to make a famous bread cheese pudia of South Bombay. For that I have taken a chickpea flour just mixed with salt. Just add a pinch of baking soda. In a pan I am going to add a pinch of butter. Then dip the bread in a sandwich bread, dip it in a flour and put it like this. I have taken 2 sandwich bread. I'm going to show you 2 sandwich bread. So just pour the remaining on the top of the bread like this. On top of the bread add some chopped onions and chopped mint leaves and cilantros. I'm going to use a non-stick cookware so it will be easy to take it out. Take it and flip it over like this. The other side has to be cooked perfectly. Always use the perfect non-stick pan. It will be very easy. This is a very famous chat item in South Bombay. This is called bread cheese pudia. So after the both sides are perfectly cooked, we are going to add some cheese on top. You can serve it with mint chutney and meeta and tomato sauce, tomato ketchup of course. I flipped it over, then on top of this add some more butter. And wait for a few seconds. Again flip it. Again flip it. The onion and the mint leaves and the cilantro will be cooked in the butter and gives a fantastic aroma. It's very delicious. If you want, you can spray some garlic powder. That also gives a nice aroma. So again one more time I'm going to flip it. At this stage I'm going to add some garlic powder. Then on top of this garlic powder I'm going to add some shredded cheese. Flip it gently. At this stage, put the stove in a little bit low flame. Again, flip it and close it in a sandwich shape like this. So bread cheese pudia is ready to serve in a plate. Just cut it into 4 squares if you want. So delicious bread cheese pudia is ready to serve along with the ketchup. See guys, this is the perfect bread cheese pudia of South Bombay, and it's very delicious to eat. And if you are a cheese lover, and you can eat, it's nicely sliced and you can eat as a sandwich along with the tomato ketchup. Hope you like this video. Try this at home and tell me how it tastes. It tastes delicious with tomato ketchup. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.